So over here, you can see that I have this particular wall right here. And let's say I want this particular wall to be the same length as this wall. In that case, you can utilize the push and pull tool, click on this wall and simply go ahead and click on the top of the wall. And that is what you have. Similarly, I'm going to go around over here as well. And let me just go ahead and then let's say, for example, make this shape right here. So it's not actually in the arc. So let's just go ahead right here and then draw again right here, just like this. So this is what you have. And if I were to go ahead and use the push and pull tool right here, I can click and then click around over here or here. Then you got the exact wall length just like that, as you can see. Apart from that, if you want an exact length, you can also use the push and pull tool right here and type in the exact feet right here, just like this. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select 8 feet and that is what you have. Similarly, you can do that and type in 8 feet right here, just like this. Click and release 8 feet, and that is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the push and pull tool to make the wall exact length, just like this, by taking another wall as a reference, or by using the inch entering method inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.